9 survival gadgets that are on the next level. Did you know that unexpected situations can arise anytime in our modern world, requiring us to be prepared for the unknown? Today, we are diving headfirst into a world where ingenuity meets rugged durability, where survival meets innovation. Get ready because we'll reveal 9 survival gadgets on the next level. Let's dive in. 9. CRKT Bivy Rigging Multi-Tool. This versatile and handy gadget was developed by speed climber and world record holder Hans Florine to serve as your lifeline in times of emergency. With its innovative one-handed design, the Bivy Rigging Multi-Tool becomes your helpful hand, while both hands stay put. Its abundance of features is one element that sets it apart. Imagine having screwdrivers, a Markland spike, spring-assisted pliers, a folding knife with sharp serrations, and other tools in a slim, lightweight design that weighs only 7.7 ounces. And durability? The Bivy Rigging Multi-Tool is made of durable 1060 aluminum and is meant to survive harsh situations, whether climbing skyscrapers or tackling rugged mountains. 8. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. This folding survival shovel gadget is worth considering if you're in the wilderness dealing with various terrains and challenges. It is a powerful multi-tool made in the military style and intended to be your best ally for digging, camping, and survival. This intense beauty, made of powder-coated carbon steel, has sharp, sturdy teeth that dig deep into any obstruction and a 90-degree pickaxe for attacking rugged terrain. It's versatility at its finest. And guess what? The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is surprisingly tiny for its Herculean power, measuring 9 inches by 6 inches when folded. It even comes with a handy tote case for easy mobility. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is your dependable buddy, whether you're battling dirt, sand, mud, or snow. 7. LifeStraw Peak. Imagine yourself traveling to isolated areas miles from human societies. How can you be sure the water you drink is pure? The LifeStraw Peak is a personal water filter straw that will quickly become your best friend. This innovative straw, made from premium materials, offers unparalleled 99.99% protection against bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. It can even remove silt, sand, and cloudiness from any water source. Talk about keeping your adventures fresh. The membrane microfilter in this gadget may 1,000 gallons of pure water. Additionally, because it has an endless shelf life, the LifeStraw Peak is always accessible and ready to save your water in a time of need. 6. Essol Phoenix. This multi-tool is ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The knife has a fixed blade with a serrated edge that was made to be used as a striker. Also, the Phoenix goes above and above with additional features that will amaze you. It has a bottle opener, a wrench, and a flathead screwdriver built right into it. It is a true multi-tool. The best part is that the Phoenix is a lighthouse rather than only a tool. Its built-in LED light may be attached to your hat and instantly change into a helpful headlamp. There's also a whistle that can signal for help from almost a mile distant on additional security. 5. Ocean Signal Rescue, MeMob 1. If you love enjoying the ocean's vastness, this equipment is excellent in case the unthinkable occurs. This integrated DSC transmitter suits even the most compact inflatable life jackets. It has an integrated GPS that guarantees accurate positioning and easy communication with your yacht or other nearby AIS-equipped boats. The Rescue MeMob 1 is intended to be fitted within your life jacket and activates immediately upon inflation, which is the actual punch. It sends the first alarm in just 15 seconds, requesting assistance as soon as feasible in an emergency. But there are more safety features than that. This fantastic gadget also includes an inbuilt strobe light for optimal low-light visibility, and you can rely on it to be there for you when you need it most, thanks to a standby battery life of 7 years and more than 24 hours of operational light. 4. Tactical Trip Alarm System. Picture yourself alone in the woods, seeking seclusion from the outer world. But what about stray intruders like nosy animals, foxes, or even bears? This tactical trip alarm system is the ideal way to request that they keep their distance respectfully. Setting it up takes some time, precision, and the correct tools, but it's worth it. Here's how it works. When an animal comes into contact with the wire, it activates the pull ring, causing a flare to be released. You and the curious beast both see something is wrong right away. And the pro tip, we recommend installing many devices at varying heights around the perimeter for maximum security. Doing so will give you an additional line of defense against intruders. 3. AdventureMate AMV2 Multi-Tool. Did you know you can open up a world of possibilities with just one handle? Do you need to chop some wood? Just swap the massive axe blade with its trusty leather sheath. There's still more though. Watch it transform into a sleek, kerf-bladed saw in seconds, ideal for handling rugged terrain. And this multi-tool has other features as well. Get your hands on a sharp, robust shovel ready to dig you out of any bind. Additionally, a mighty heavy-duty hammer is available when you need it. Also, say hello to the useful hook attachment, ready to help lift hot pots or open a refreshing beverage. This multi-tool, a true hero in disguise, will not disappoint you. 2. InMaker Compass. Imagine having a reliable compass that is small enough to put in your pocket or bag and won't make you slower. The secret is in its innovative vacuum technology. No more tilting incidents. The liquid-filled directional compass assures accurate readings, and the steady 360-degree dial keeps you on track. This compass was made from tough die-cast zinc alloy, making it a real survivor. It can survive any weather Mother Nature throws at you because it is waterproof, shockproof, and engineered to last. It also includes necessary extras like a protective case, a reflective lanyard for nighttime access, and an aluminum emergency whistle for increased security. The finest aspect is that you need not worry when it gets dark. Due to its ability to absorb light, the InMaker compass glows in the dark. 1. TexEnergy Infinite Air 5. How about harnessing the wind's power with the TexEnergy Infinite Air 5T? When water is in short supply, this gadget is a good option. With its 360-degree spinning head, this off-grid wind turbine can be assembled quickly and convert wind into power. You may now charge your mobile phones, batteries, and other vital gadgets. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the fantastic world of next-level survival gadgets. Which gadget resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below.